Well, moving ahead, Bangaloreans get ready to pay higher property taxes. The city corporation, the BBMP, has decided to go ahead and hike property taxes after an 8-year-long hiatus. What quantum of hike will the city see? And will this truly contribute to the BBMP's coffers? Lakshmi Sivadas has this story.
Come April 1st, 2016, and Bengaluru's growth prospects will start to look a whole lot brighter. Or at least, that's what Bengaluru's corporation, the BBMP, believes. The corporation that is perpetually short on cash is eyeing higher funds this financial year by revising property taxes after 8 long years of no tax hikes.
One of the important initiatives this year to ensure financial discipline. It plays out differently in different zones. There are zones from A to E and F. So the impact is different on different zones. If it results in 20 to 25% of increase after a lapse of almost 8 to 10 years, it's a good improvement.
What quantum of hike is the BBMP looking at? Sources have told NDTV that the revision could range between 15 to 20% for residential and 20 to 25% for commercial properties, varying on guidance values. They will also impose a cap on the minimum tax each zone has to pay and reshuffle tax zones to ensure fair contribution by all areas. While the BBMP aims to collect 700 to 800 crores more with this revision, experts feel there will be an impact on the real estate front.
Landlords, developers won't have much of impact, because that impact what we think they would have is something that gets passed on to the lessees or the tenants. So as a matter of fact, the rentals may go up slightly. So that impact is something which these end users would see. And also this startups and the new sectors which are coming into the city or the state would feel that pinches.
While residents and experts welcome the revision, they feel that it won't improve BBMP's financial situation drastically, given that only an estimated 50 to 60% of Bengaluru's properties fall under the tax net.
It's not fair to make only the people who are already paying tax to be paying more tax. First of all, they should assess all the properties and make everybody pay.
Every year the BBMP issues tax forms, and then there are forms which you have to fill in if the property is, if there's an addition or a deletion. But who's checking this? Is it being done?
The BBMP for their part say that they have renewed property identification efforts with the view to plug tax leakages. From Bengaluru with camera person Govind, Lakshmi Sivadas for NDTV.